Question number 5. P square minus 24p plus 144. A second term is in negative, so we should use this identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the given question, it is not in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first here we should convert this one into in this form. So first term p square, already it is in a square form. So last term 144. 144 is a perfect square number. So that how to write in 12 square exponential form. 12 12s are 144. Okay. Now this one will become in b square form. After finding this, we should see what is the value of a and what is the value of b. Now p square. Now here a square. Now a. Here a means p. So here we should write p first. 12 square. Okay. Now this is in the form b square form. So here b is equal to what is here 12. So you should write 12. Now by taking a and b values, we have to split this number easily. So minus you can take minus as it is 2ab. First 2 you should write as it is. What is there in the identity? That same number you should write here. Then a. What is a value here? P into p. Next into b. What is the b value? 12. Now if you multiply 12 twos, that is, we will get same answer 24. Now this one will become in this form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Opposite of this, what is the answer here? A minus b the whole square. Now this one will become in this form means directly we can take this is equal to, already we got a and b value. So p minus 12 whole square. P minus 12 whole square. Now it become a minus b the whole square form. Question is x cube minus 12x square plus 36x. Now in this question, second term is here minus. That means among these two identities we have to use this identity because here negative sign is there. So here x square, but in this question is x cube is there. So what we should do? We should take x common. X outside the bracket. X into x square will become x cube. Then minus 12 into x. 12 into x it become 12x square. Plus 36. 36 into x is 36x. Now 36 is a perfect square number. Here x square also perfect square number. Okay. Now here x square it is in the form a square. So this you write as it is x square. Then after finding the first term, you should go to directly last term. 36 can be written in the form 6 square. In the form b square form. That is 6 square. 6 square is 36. 6 square is 36. Now here a square, what is here? X square. A is equal to what is here? X. So you should write a is equal to x. Then b square, 6 square. B square, 6 square. Then b is equal to what is here? 6. Now we got a and b value. Now we can split this second term by using a and b value. Now see this identity, minus 2 is there. So directly write minus 2. A into a. What is a value there? A value is x into x into b value. What is the b value? 6. Now this plus 6 square. 6 square is 36. If you multiply 2 6 that is 12 into x. Now this part this part it is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now this is equal to what is here? A minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. This x you should write as it is. Now here, this one how to write now? In this form, a minus b the whole square. Now what we got? A value is x, b value is 6. So how to write? X minus 6 whole square. So this is the result.